सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम। होर की हाल चाल आ फ्रेंड्स। अज का अपना टॉपिक जिहड़ा हैगा वा वो MPhil PhD एंड MA दे स्टूडेंट्स लई आ। वो स्टूडेंट्स जिहड़े आफ्टर मास्टर्स MPhil करना चाहुंदे आ, PhD करना चाहुंदे आ, रिसर्च च जाना चाहुंदे आ। सो अज का अपना टॉपिक हैगा वट इज़ रिसर्च, वट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च, वट आर द करैक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ रिसर्च. Research is very important in human life. Research means to search again and again. Research. Re means again. Search means is a detailed study of some phenomena, some problem. Research is a detailed and systematic study of some problem, the problem which you selected for your PhD and MPhil thesis. Research is a detailed study of something, phenomena. It is to find out more information about the topic, about the problem, about the phenomena. So research is to find the detailed and systematic information regarding some problem. It is a scientific and detailed process to find the cause and effect relationship. Each type of research serves its purpose. There is a purpose of research, there is an objective of research. So research is very important process in every human being's life. Research is a systematic, scientific and objective activity. It includes the collection of relevant information, means data. There are some methods of data collection, right? Questionnaire, interview, observation. So research is a scientific, systematic, objective activity. It includes collection of relevant information, means data, analysis of the collected data. The data you have collected, you analyze the data, and recording and reporting of valid conclusions, means research report and mentioning of your findings. Recording and reporting of conclusions based on the analysis of data you have collected after tabulation. So research includes the collection of relevant data, analysis of data collected to find new knowledge, to develop new knowledge, to develop new theory, and to develop new principles and generalization. So research is a systematic, detailed study of a phenomena. Study of a phenomena. Research is a systematic investigation of new facts in any field. It is a process to find right and systematic answer to a problem. You have a question in your brain. The process you adopt to find the relevant, systematic, scientific answer to that problem is called research. So research means search again and again. It is a systematic and detailed scientific study of a phenomena or a problem. It includes the collection of data, analysis of data, tabulation of data, recording of facts and conclusions, means research report. It is a very important step of research process, research report. We'll talk about research report later on. So research is to search again and again. Types of research. Research can be scientific, it can be medical, it can be historical. Another way you can say that research can be exploratory, it can be descriptive and causal you can say. It can be descriptive, correlation, cross-sectional, case study, survey, longitudinal study, qualitative research, and association or associated research you can say, etc., etc. So research can be descriptive, it can be exploratory, it can be you can say longitudinal, it can be survey, it can be qualitative research, it can be you can say cyclical research. Cyclical research is that research which starts with a problem and ends with a problem, ends with a question mark. That is cyclical research. So these are the types of research. Come to the characteristics of research. This is very important. The characteristics of research. Number one is empirical. Research must be based on direct experience. It must be based on experiments. It must be based on practicals. So the first and the important characteristics of research that it is empirical. It is based on observation, experience, practical. Second is logical. Research must be based on procedure and principles. There must be a logic in the research. It must be based on procedure and principles. Research must be, you can say, cyclical. It must be based on cyclical process. It starts with a problem and ends with a problem, with a question mark. What, why, when, where, by whom? Number 4, analytical. Research must be analytical. Means analysis is done. The data collected is analyzed, tabulated. So it is a characteristic of research that it must be a analytical. Next, 5th, critical. The research must be based on critical or criticism you can say. There must be a critical. There must be a criticism. This is a characteristic of research. Research is nothing but the criticism. It is a characteristic of research. Methodological. Research must be conducted methodologically. Method of research must be followed. There are some steps in a methods of research. For example, identification of problem. When you are going to do research on any topic, you identify the problem. This is your problem. Review of literature. You study the literature or the research done earlier on that phenomena, on that problem. Collection of data. You collect the data. Data can be primary or it can be secondary. Then you tabulate the data, making tables of the data. Then you analyze. In social sciences, you use SPSS, statistical package of social sciences. Then you come to the conclusions. You write the report of your research. That is called research report. This is very important. Your conclusions are very important. So it is a characteristic of research that methods are followed in research. Next characteristics of research that you must indicate the scope of your study. The scope of your study should not be very vague. It should be limited. Your search must be limited. Exclusive study of a phenomena. So it is a characteristic of research that it must indicate the scope of study. Next characteristic is based on logic. The research must be based on logic. Logic. Must have some logic behind your research, behind your study. If there is no logic, there will be no use of that research. Research is incremental. Incremental means there is always scope for some new studies, for some new research. So research is always incremental. It is very important characteristics of research. Comes to the objectives of research. Every research has some objective. Objective means goals, targets, purpose of research. These objectives are very important. The main objectives or the objectivity of research is that, number one, answer to the question. When you are going to conduct research on any phenomena, any problem, any topic, there must be a question in your brain. And it must be the objective of the research that your research must give answer to your question. Research must be, it is the objective of the research that it must be based on why, when, where, whom. So research must give the answers to these questions: when, why, where. Second objective of research is that it must define the focus of study. What is the focus of the research? What you are going to find out, your focus of your study. So the research must have the focus of study. It is a very important objective of research. If your focus is imbalanced, your study will go somewhere else. So it is very important to focus on the study, focus on the problem, focus on the phenomena. There should not be goal displacement. Goal displacement means your objective is something different, you are studying something different, and your goal is displaced. So there should not be goal displacement in the research. The objective must be maintained in the research. You might have seen there are some, the eyes of horse are covered because he must see the targets, he must focus, he should not see here and there. So it is a very important objective of research that it must define the focus, and the researchers must concentrate on the focus of the study. It is the objective of the research that it clearly identifies the variables of the study. It is important to identify variables of study. What you are going to study is very important. Next objective is that it indicates the various steps. The steps you are going to conduct, you are going to take in your research process. You must know clearly all the various steps to be taken in the research. The next objective of research is to establish limit of study. There must be a limitation to the study. Study should not be very vast. If you take a vast subject, the research will go somewhere else. The researcher must establish limit of his study. This I'm going to study. This is my area of research, my topic of research. So the limitation is very important. Next objective of research is to avoid the data which is irrelevant and not necessary. The researcher must concentrate on the relevant data. The irrelevant and that data which is not necessary should not be collected. The data must be relevant, whether that is a primary data, whether that is a secondary data. The relevant data must be collected and tabulated. So irrelevant data and data which is not necessary should not be collected. Next objective of research is that it should familiar with the research problem and phenomena. The objective of research must be related to the study, related to the problem. So friends, these are the objectives of research. So research is a scientific, detailed, systematic investigation of cause and effect relationship. To conduct the research, we formulate hypothesis. There will be another lecture on hypothesis. Hypothesis is a pre-tentative generalization which we are going to test or prove with our data, with our systematic study. Objective of research means what we expect to achieve. So friends, research is to search again and again. It is a systematic, detailed, scientific investigation of cause and effect relationship. There is a cause and there is a effect of that cause. The study of this process is a research in social sciences. So friends, this was a short talk on research types, characteristics, objectives. अगर वीडियो चंगा लगे ਤਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ YouTube ਤੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਸਟਾਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਤੇ professor_ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ। ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਤੇ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।